The 2011 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, anti-theft security system, keyless entry, front and rear floor mats, AM/FM stereo with CD player, 60/40 split rear bench seat, FWD, rear window defroster, side airbag, trip odometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.